to the online classes for the higher secondary section. This is Zafrullah Mangi from the Department of Mathematics. Today we will start the top lecture on the topic operation on sets for class 9th and metric. Today we will discuss about the topic operation on sets and its types. So first one type is union of the set. So what is the definition of union, and which symbol denotes the union, and which are the examples of the union? So we are discussing about the union. So this is the definition of union. The union, the set of all elements belonging to one or more of a given collection of two or more sets is known to be a union. Basically, union is a combination of two or more sets, either two sets having similar elements or not. Union is a basically term denotes the combination. The two sets, in between the two sets, the combination is shown, is known to be a union. Union is the combination of two sets in which the similar elements are not combined together and make a unique, a single set is known to be a union. So union is denoted by the term U in between two sets, Then we here shows that this form of sets denoted the problem of union, because A is represent the set 1, first set, and B represent the second set, and in between the sign U denotes the union. So here A union B denotes the which topic? Union. So example here, if A contains 4 elements and B contains also 4 elements which are not related to this set, and here then find A union B. In between two sets we find union. So here solution, as we know that the union of two sets A union B is, we have solved this problem. First we put the elements of the set A, which elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we put here the sign of union U, and then we put the elements of set B 2, 4, 6, 8. Here first of all, in union we combine the two sets of the elements in a single form is known to be a union. So here first we all elements of the set A written in below. Then if in second set of the elements are belong to first set of the elements, we cancel them, and those elements which are not belongs to set A, then we are write in the set. So here 2 is already shown here and 4 is already shown here. So we leave these two elements of the set B. Then 6 and 8 not belong to the set A. So here 2 elements are written here. So this set represent the union in between two sets. Then A union B is equals to 1 to 8 elements, and this is our answer of the given example. Now the second example is that if A contains 5 elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B contains 0, 2, 4, then find number 1 is A union B and number second one is B union A. First we find here A union B, because here the elements in between two sets there is no similarities in elements. So how can we solve it in the form of union of two given sets? So here find solution. Number one, A union B. Find here. As we know that A set and B set, in between union is, set A contains 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and then put here U, and set B contains 0, 2, 4 elements. Is there any similarity in between two sets of the elements? There is no similarity, because here 1 is here and in this set 1 is not clear, not shown, not written, not given, and 3 here is, but there is not. 5, 7, 9, no any element belongs to the set B, and set B of no any element which belongs to set A. So the union of two sets is, first we elements of all set A written in the form of the set, and here if the similarity of the elements of set B belongs to A, then we leave it. If no any element belongs to set A, then we written in the below set. So this is, and also rearrange this form. Rearrange the sets. A union B is equals to, first of all 0, then 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. This is our answer. So this first problem, A union B, is the form of a union of the two sets in between. The result is here 0 to 9. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, because 6 and 8 are not shown in between two sets. So that's why we leave these two elements, because they are not in given sets. So that's why our result is A union of B is here. Now we again solve the B union A. Number second example, B union A. Now we solve it in B union A. So we now the elements of the set A and set B are same, but the form is second B union A. Now we solve it B union A. Here the elements of B are B union A, 0, 2, 4, and the symbol U between two sets, and the elements of A are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in between union is the combination of two sets. Either the elements of two sets are similar or not. Here no any elements are similar, then we elements of the set B and set A combine, written in combined form, 0, 2, 4, 6. First we written all the elements of set B and then set A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then rearrange to them, rearrange of the elements. Rearrange the elements. Number first one is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Here it represent the A union B is equals to B union A. Actually this form represent the commutative law, but here we only discuss about the union and its examples. the union must be combine the two sets of the elements, either they are similar or they are not similar. So this situation, this form of the union is represent the union of two sets, union of three sets, or else anyone else. So now we discuss about the next topic, intersection. And intersection basically the common elements of two sets is known to be an intersection. So here we discuss about the intersection. Number second one topic is our intersection. You already discussed about the intersection in previous classes. Now we again solve the intersection problems. Number second is intersection. First we define the topic intersection. Intersection basically the common elements, common are same elements in between two sets is known to be intersection. If the common elements are same elements are given in two sets, then we say that the intersection is allowed, because intersection, if the two sets having no common elements, then it represents only the null set, because there is no similarities in elements. That's why we have written in form of empty set. This is known to be intersection, and intersection is denoted by intersection is denoted by this symbol. If this symbol contains in between two sets, then we say that this is the symbol of intersection. Here you can, and simply you can say that the inverse process of U is known to be intersection. Here we write U in this form. If we inverse into this U, this shape of U contains this form, and this form is represent the intersection. Here in union we combine to the elements either same or different, but in intersection there is only similarity of the elements in between two sets, then we solve the intersection, otherwise it gives us a null set and empty set. So here an example of intersection is that if A contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and B contains 2, 4, 6, then find intersection A intersection B. Solution here, as we know that this symbol represents the intersection, so we solve this problem. Here as we know that the intersection of the two sets A and B, A intersection B. Here first we written elements of set A, then the sign of intersection. Now written the elements of set B 2, 4, 6. So which are the common elements in between two sets? Which are the common elements? Here 2 is here, 2 is already here. 4, 4, because there is only two elements of given two sets are similar, that's why we are written in intersection. So this is our problem of the answer. This is our answer. So intersection basically the common elements in between two sets, so that's why the intersection is done. Otherwise it gives us an empty set. Now we come to the next example of the intersection. Next example of the intersection is if A contains only odd numbers you can say that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and B contains even numbers from 0 to 8. Now we find the intersection A intersection B. Solution A intersection B. First we written the elements of set A, then symbol of intersection. Now we write the elements of set B 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here students, which are the elements of two sets are similar? Is there one in this set or not? Either 3, 5, 7 or 9. Because there is no similarities in between two sets, then the solution of this intersection of this topic is null set, because there is no similarities of the elements. That's why we written in the form of empty set or null set. You can written in two forms, either in this form or in this form. This symbol represent the name phi. Phi basically is represent the null set or empty set or void sets. You can write here one of them. Either you can written this null set or you can written this one set. Not written in this form, because there is one element which is phi. So this is our wrong answer, gives us wrong answer. So you can write both separately or individually. That's why our example is done in intersection. So this is our answer of the given sets. So today we have done our lecture about the union of two sets or intersection of two sets. Inshallah we will next discussing about the third type of the operation on two sets.